When it comes to window installation in Orangeburg, selecting the right window style is crucial to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and functionality of your home. The right windows can make a significant difference in how your home looks, feels, and performs. With so many styles available, it's important to consider your home's architectural style, the purpose of the window, and how the style will impact your daily life. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of choosing the best window style for your Orangeburg home and explain how each type of window can bring unique benefits to your space. Consider the architectural style of your home. The first factor to consider when selecting a window style is the architecture of your home. Windows should complement the overall design of your property to enhance curb appeal and maintain aesthetic harmony. Traditional or colonial homes. For homes with a classic or traditional design, double-hung windows are an excellent choice. These windows feature two sashes that slide up and down, offering a timeless look that fits well with symmetrical and formal designs. Colonial homes benefit from the classic appeal of double-hung windows, which can be paired with elegant shutters for a more refined appearance. Modern or contemporary homes. If your home has a modern or contemporary design, casement windows or picture windows might be the perfect choice. Casement windows open outward with a crank, providing a sleek, minimalistic look and excellent ventilation. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that provide expansive views and an uninterrupted, clean line, making them ideal for showcasing the outdoors while maintaining a modern appearance. Craftsman homes. Homes designed in the craftsman style often look best with awning windows or casement windows. These windows offer clean lines and a more natural, rustic feel that complements the earthy aesthetics of craftsman architecture. Think about functionality and ventilation. While aesthetic considerations are important, functionality and ventilation are equally vital when choosing the right window style. Depending on the room and its needs, certain window styles can improve air circulation, light, and ease of use. Double-hung windows. As one of the most popular window styles, double-hung windows are an excellent choice for many homes. These windows can open from the top or bottom, allowing for customizable ventilation. You can open the top for air circulation while keeping the bottom closed for safety, making them ideal for homes with small children or pets. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank. This makes them an excellent choice for rooms that need optimal airflow, such as kitchens or living rooms. Their design allows for full ventilation and allows you to capture even the slightest breeze. Additionally, casement windows create a tight seal when closed, enhancing energy efficiency. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are ideal for areas where you need wide, unobstructed views. They slide horizontally, allowing for ease of use and excellent ventilation. These windows are commonly used in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms where natural light and airflow are key. Picture windows. If you're looking to highlight a beautiful outdoor view, picture windows are the perfect solution. These windows are fixed, meaning they don't open. While they don't provide ventilation, they allow for expansive views and abundant natural light, making them ideal for living rooms or spaces with breathtaking outdoor views. Energy efficiency consideration. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing heating and cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Selecting the right window style can help improve your home's energy efficiency. Double or triple pane windows. Whether you opt for double-hung windows, casement windows, or sliding windows, choosing double or triple pane options can significantly enhance your home's insulation. These windows have multiple panes of glass with insulating gas in between, which helps prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Low-E coatings are also available to further enhance energy efficiency by reflecting heat back into your home. Proper sealing. No matter the window style, choosing windows with tight seals is critical. Gaps or poor sealing around your windows can lead to drafts and energy loss, making it harder to regulate your home's temperature. Ensure that the window installation includes proper sealing to maximize energy efficiency. Consider maintenance and durability. Different window styles come with varying levels of maintenance requirements. If you're looking for low-maintenance options, you'll want to choose materials and designs that are easy to care for and durable over time. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are low maintenance and durable, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. They don't require painting, are resistant to moisture, and are highly energy efficient. Vinyl frames are also very affordable, making them an ideal option for budget-conscious homeowners. Wood windows. While wood windows offer a classic, beautiful look, they do require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass options. Wooden frames may need to be painted or sealed regularly to prevent rotting, warping, or cracking over time. However, for homeowners who prioritize the aesthetics of wood, the maintenance is often worth it. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are another excellent option that requires minimal maintenance. They are extremely durable, resistant to warping, and offer excellent energy efficiency. While the initial cost may be higher than vinyl, fiberglass windows can offer long-term value due to their strength and energy efficiency. Budget and cost considerations. The cost of window installation can vary based on the window style, materials, and the number of windows being replaced. It's important to balance your desired style and energy-efficient features with your budget. Vinyl or aluminum windows. These are typically the most affordable options, offering a good balance of durability, insulation, and low-maintenance care. Wood windows. These windows are usually more expensive due to the high-quality material and aesthetic appeal. Fiberglass windows. While fiberglass may be pricier, its energy efficiency and durability make it a good long-term investment. Conclusion. Choosing the right window style for your Orangeburg home. Selecting the right window style for your Orangeburg home is a decision that affects both the appearance and functionality of your living space. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, ventilation, aesthetic appeal, or low-maintenance options, there are window styles to suit your needs. By carefully considering the architectural style of your home, the function of the room, your energy efficiency goals, and your budget, you can find the ideal windows that not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also improve comfort and performance for years to come.